1-0 count. Mahtook's going. Swung on a miss. Throw and a big out coming. He's safe. Got in underneath the tag on Scope. Stolen base.
Yeah, they said this kid's a 5-tool player. We saw him get a couple of doubles. I don't know, Kevin Cash is coming out to talk to the home plate umpire, but right here, nice throw by Matt Wieters. It's just a shade high, and then Scope drops the tag. That's a strike, a swing.
May have called interference on the throw here.
Well, if that's the case, then what happens? He goes back to first.
Cash came out immediately. Yep, that's what he did. Runner will go back.
Of course, Kevin Cash, only 37 in his first year as manager of the Rays, but former catcher. And he was a defensive specialist, so I'm sure he's arguing his interpretation of the interference.
You can see Dale Scott saying, no, it wasn't his swing that took him. It was after his swing that he made another move to get in front of Wieters, and that's the interference. That's a big call.
Yeah, I think he almost lost his balance and went down on that right knee. It'll come. So what happens is there's the big swing. Now he's going left, and then right there, it almost looks like the right side collapses.
And out is Longoria. So a very big play right there. On the interference call, Longoria's out of there. The runner has to come back to first base. And there are now 2 down with a runner at first instead of Longoria up with a runner at second. And I don't know. I think they're coming out to check on what the count was here.
Well, it was definitely a strike because he swung at it. But what was the count before? I didn't think that was the third strike. Yeah. So can you call
him out on the interference? Wow.
What a huge play that is. You get rid of your home run guy. You take away the stolen base because of the interference.
So it should be an unassisted putout for the catcher.